no Mr. Wa na hwɛ yɛtena ha ma NDC for da ne da nyinaa na yɛtu mfuturo gu yɛni IMF ni yɛkɔɔyɛ no menua alwita wodi adanseɛ sɛ ɛmfa so wɔbaayɛ wote aseɛ hwɛ deɛ maa yɛbaayɛ ne sɛ mo siki sɛ aborɔfo no a yɛde wɔ ka no ɔmo mfa yɛ ka nkyɛn wote aseɛ yenye bibi mfa ye ka no because asetere mu ahokyere ato ye nyinaa wote ase me can dey see 2022 no Russia Ukraine war ni ade so we start for that no mo ka say na mo kra mo internally no ene e ma say na mo tutuatua mo de no because this DDP and stuff like that hwe IMF ye call ye no eno na ama NDC for abaye a omo ba omo twaka bi ya twi ye kamu akwachire I think it will start 2027 mebo a ene ya start si atwa ehye faso ni bi no ene ne ho ahare no ama ne timi de $10 billion kra e de hye sidi mu say enkofo mebo a enfaso no so no bi ne say ye interest rate na wo ye loan so a ya giwa abrofo ne ho no around 23 ye timi negotiate by 9%. Enfaso so no bi ne say Ghana ka $4.7 billion ya de chair oti ase eti se wo be ka sansem we nyina ena omade omukoye na amye tutututu mu saa no a ura fi emfaso so a we derive from we no ti mamenti ho ni fro enye obi na ye na obi IMF fo na are they still not here ene edisika ekoto aeroplane abra nipa kra omu ekra de ade yentimi ntwa omuka are they not here IMF for na esem nkoto aeroplane no ananti ase nipa complaining say ohawa ba ahokyera ba tete niema so emaye osimi de mekoto aeroplane we ayibi wom I was say ye ka uba beblem mu say we justify ye nkotua na MPP for na ya to MPP for extra to was nkoto plane ma me mfa ma asem no emfa efrene say Kpandai ahomte hwe wo mo a wo so mo hye embrama yen because the essence of Parliament is to make laws ema ye ma hwan ye nyina ebedi so oti ase nti mo hye mra mundi so ena my yati ase so say asem wo court a menya lawyer asem wo court a yen ka ho asem mpomebo a we have to make sure say we see the final determination of it. That is our karma. Ene eyi kura no aba bedru ba bia yadue ene se beye na nipa bo se nipa mbo ejina se ne niema na kwa aba bedru ti na menu aka se asema eyi a controversies wo ho de onko ba ya support odobro ni de beko oti ase because we be solve a lot of problems dobro ni solve problems yeah Chief Justice ye nedi as Chief Justice but ya say ye nedi as a judge eti ma mene say ye media as Chief Justice processes are ya say ye medi as a judge no yan follow it asem no court what they about the current Chief Justice ya ni say no he had the power to set up a panel yentie ma me no eno na minority no yes and no asem wo court it think he suspended because of NDC omo numbers ni ade nti no omo de akoso now the signal out there they say asem wo court to fight it bu faso that is what they have told us now Kpandai ye were 152 can say polling stations meboa ene ya to aba ama nipa no ayindam se hwan no MPP Matthew no were winning with a margin of 3,724. Nipa na on the contesting here and say our problem with 41 out of 152. Intimi minya lawyer, minya judge. But any reasonable being bia no ebeka say oh any our contention wo 41 no dey anke homom e na yen konkoto. Ote dey ya kana say we dey bienim de ba judge ni team and whatever was yen konkoto entire elections ni nyina yes so the minimum crown is easy. Sometimes you come with your registration, whether agent is there or not, they will do their registration. And who call most orientation, they will tell you, parties, you at least more stakeholders. But without you do our work. And I yes, sir, or my yes, I am a winner. Judge, sit down. Now, Emrana sa my window. Say, Adia be a can't yell, and I can't be as a woman peninsula. You can do an appeal. And yes, sir. So, whilst I will appeal, there's something within the law, a fellow stay of execution. Meboa, me the menya lawyer to me, Tia no catch him. Stay of execution in as someone earlier, we na judge na canoa appeal abano. In between a hono. Yan suspending the kakra. Ni yan train appeal na bebano. Asani who find it. Ananya sa. It is sad there no ever horse say ya na say appeal ne my. Na say Speaker of Parliament Emma Clark ko EC say you seat now a vacant. Kpandai seat now a vacant. Who say they have been fair to them to the person and
yes, you Timu Fine Tiamonku.
As my county, I'm talking about the law.
On this as a state execution, there should be a ruling on it.
Yes.
So what to rule you just file. And the court say 18 from best or may rule on it.
Yeah.
So more rule there, the speakers.
And I'm say, you better rule and you rule you. May say, there name commonsensically. President ewo with judicial in there. Ana meboa. Me ni amume anya nyama ne nya fail. And yes, and this year win you overwhelmingly. Now it's not radio to go and because we party a loose. Or he be quiet to me say, no, Cassa, you penny for your soundquas. Ya lose no just and told you the move. And I see a bubble bodam. Bibi now to ye. Now must be better. What's the econo? It's a me, dear me, minimum say still for execution were hot dear. I didn't in the young train. Masadia no emba na appeal no judgment nemba ansa na ya shase
this is here what the subo ebo hwan
yes etime de subo ebo parliament here omo ye emra ma me no mienu say ye ndi so now we are all looking at you SC or CJ remover yi so ma me ne de koye wase mo hwe na mo ka enemo buo adane number 2 ena aba Kpandai a ye nyina nim say 152 nipa no wo mu contest 41. And so judge say young kotu ni nyina why appeal stay of execution but musimuntie you go ahead and do sadie no me feel say it is never fair
and you hwe ne din a nsonso be na wo what is going on CCA with Matthew Yindam there no and then abodapi ne jache question there
me say
do you see any difference
the difference woman say where the chief can say Speaker of Parliament he is comfortable say Obeka say onye can say yen declare seat no vacant compared to Jachikwesi Diena Oka said no yen and so we cannot declare his seat no vacant me dem feel say mo yetwa muka mo nya hwio emra na mo hwehwe maye mo ko mo hwemra besi semre da so hwemra na semra no mo hwe na se mo amu ndi so ewo yen nyina ye ni so dia. Then what signal are you sending to your form? And money nya wo mo say sebe overwhelming yi na omo anya wo ho no on betime atena ya wo achiri so we nipa over 100,000 eto aba emu ba akopa ne yi na betena ho o te de ya ka no ene ya adwi mu no ya ne say o represent ye nyina. It is a nipa ba kuno represent ye nyina na say o take it petty from the ekoso. Me feel say it is never right. We should see them as honorable people omo ye honorable things e betimi asay ni good way amaye na no nyame no nete ha e na wo ka kire me say news item be say members of parliament woman call parliament because air condition ye adwuma meboa enkofo air condition ye adwuma mo call parliament no omutimi approve say yenkoto play mre Ghana mo ankasa mo daily eniema you need for your comfortability mo betimi dey ye adwuma no ade na mfanhye o but they are comfortable to sign and approve see ento aeroplane yenkoto pad ni enkonye nkokọ one can say we face a crowd. You don't have a conducive environment.
As a party, must over contest come December 30.
Yeah, the parliament minority no mebo mabaso say omo man no kredi ededi. Now they are seeking say they have to go and withdraw the letter omo dia call EC no because asem no e wo court yen hwe na indetermine na emwa. I just say Andrew Chisometi, a general secretary say we are determined to go. What I say and yebe so whatever being the case yebe because omo pese omo ye na President John Mahama say yes nyame o na aka kira so for no say opese to so call term ni ade and so they want to take everybody out of the parliament now omo fanya dia omo beye which
okay,
Ghana you see a beacon of democracy no and say tenase emasa de no esi.
Okay, me that say but as far as the ruling nearby in there I never saw say it was in tandem with the third term agenda. The ruling can be independent of itself. Then that third term agenda. So we can also play the ostrich. Say that agenda is being pushed, and also we cannot play that also. Yes, because. I'm saying also, bro. Hussein,